today's video, I'm gonna do a makeup look that I'm wearing right now. I'm so excited about this because the whole makeup look is based on this palette right here. It's the new Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered Eyeshadow Palette. Look at this palette, isn't that gorgeous? It just screams like spring and summer, and it's just so beautiful. And these are the shades for the palette. Look at this, you can do so many looks with this palette. I just love using it. As you can tell, it's really like bang up right now, and I just got it like 2 or 3 weeks ago. This look is good for day or night. For the day, you can just take out the lashes. You don't have to wear lashes. You just apply a couple coats of mascara and then you're good to go. Or you can just aim it off with a pair of lashes for the night and you're good. So if you're interested in seeing how I come up with this look, please keep watching. And before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so it can let you know when I upload a new video. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. First, I'm gonna brown my eyes. I'm gonna use the Urbandecaycosmetics Naked Skin Concealer. I just want to cancel out all the redness and even my skin tone. And I'm just gonna blend it out with my beauty blender. Now I'm gonna set my eyes. You can use any setting powder that you like. Today I'm gonna use MAC Patrick Star setting powder. I'm just gonna use it to set my eyes. Now that we have a smooth base to work with, I'm gonna go straight to the eyeshadow. Look at this palette. Isn't this gorgeous? This is the palette look like inside. As you can see, I've been using this palette a lot. First, I'm gonna go in with Demure. It's this shade right here. Demure is a matte peachy coral shadow. And I'm blending this with my Morphe M504. I'm just using this as my transition color. Next, with my MAC 224, I'm gonna go with Ricay. Ricay is a matte berry with cool undertone, and I'm just using this on my crease. Now I'm just gonna go back to my first brush with Demure, and I'm just gonna blend out the edge just to make sure that I don't have any harsh line. With my MAC 217, I'm gonna go to Man Eater, and I'm just gonna darken my outer V. I just want a little bit more red. Because Man Eater is a matte dark red. With my Morphe M506, I'm gonna go to Cocoa right here. I'm just gonna like deepen the outer V right here, just a little bit. For the lid, I'm gonna go with Pink Diamond. Is this shade right here. Pink Diamond is a metallic shade with a plummy mauve undertone. And I'm gonna apply this with my finger, and I'm just gonna dab this on my lid. It's just so beautiful. With my Morphe M506, I'm gonna run Cocoa. I'm just gonna run it on the outer edge. and it's kind of just cleaning up the upper part so I have a nice line. I'm not gonna do any wings on my eyes today. I'm just gonna highlight my eyes with the Marc Jacob gel eyeliner. I'm gonna curl my lashes. This is the lash curler from Sephora. I love this one because it's small enough for my eyes, so whenever I curl my lashes, it doesn't pinch or hurt my eyes. Today I'm gonna use the House of Lashes Iconic Light. While I wait for my glue to dry, I'm gonna let my eyes rest a little bit and start working on my face. I'm gonna use a makeup remover. I'm using the Neutrogena, and I'm just gonna clean up my under eyes, clean up any fallout. I didn't have a lot, but I just want to clean it out real quick before I start working on my face. I'm gonna brown my eyes with Tatcha, the silk canvas. It looks like this. I love using this one because it smooths my skin. It's really lightweight and it helps my makeup last longer, and it helps to fill in my pore as well. For the foundations, I'm gonna use the Huda Beauty Faux Filter Foundations, but I'm gonna mix it with the Marc Jacob Coconut Gel Highlighter. It's gonna give me like all over glow. I'm just gonna get 2 pumps of these Huda Beauty, and the shades I'm using is 320, and I'm just gonna use 1 pump of the Marc Jacob. I'm just gonna mix this in the back of my hand. Huda Beauty foundation is a full coverage. By mixing this foundation, I thin out the foundation a little bit, but it still gives me enough coverage. As you can see, just a little bit of this gives me like enough coverage. It's really nice. And I find that with this foundation, it does not crease under my eyes. It does not exaggerate any fine lines. I'm gonna use the Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer for my highlight as well. I'm gonna cover my under eyes darkness. This concealer is really lightweight. It's never creased under my eyes, and it lasts a really long time. And I'm gonna blend this out with my beauty blender. Careful with this light right here. With my Lancome Teint Idole Ultra Wear makeup stick, I'm gonna contour my face. I love using this one for my contour because it's go with my undertone. And it also gives me a bronzy look for my summer. It just blends out easily with this one. And I'm just gonna run a quick line down my nose. I'm just gonna go back to my beauty blender and just tap it in very lightly. I just bounce it lightly in my skin. And it just gives me a really nice bronzy look. It's not too red and it's not too gray. I'm gonna set my face using the Marc Jacob Coconut Setting Powder. I've been loving this powder since I got this. I already did a review on this coconut collection. I will put the link in the description box down below so you can check this out. But with this powder, I like it because it keeps me matte. But it's not a crunchy matte. But it's also helped to minimize my pores. So when I use this one, my pore is like almost seem like it disappeared. And it controls my oils really well. I noticed that using this powder, my oil is not picking throughout the day. I'm gonna let my powder sit there for a few minutes and working up on my eyebrow because they're looking crazy right now. For the eyebrow, I'm gonna use the Kat Von D Brow Stroke Dimension Powder in the shade Medium Brown. It looks like this. I've been enjoying this one a lot. It looks really natural. Now that I'm done with my brow, I'm gonna dust off any powder in my face. I'm gonna finish my eyes. First, I'm gonna mix Cocoa and Man Eater. And I'm just gonna run that on my lower lash line. I'm gonna go to Doll Face and blend it out and connect to the upper part. I'm gonna use Moon Dust and just highlight my inner corner. Look at this, isn't that gorgeous? It's really brightened my eyes. I'm also going to use this to highlight my brow as well. Just a tiny bit. Now I'm going to finish my face. I'm going to use the Marc Jacob Coconut Tanstastic Bronzer. I've been using this collections a lot because I love this for summer. And I'm just going to use this to warm up my face. Do it a little bit on my jawline. To highlight my face, I'm gonna use the Shayla Time Colourpop loose highlighter in the shade Booming. And I'm just gonna use whatever on my cap. Okay, a little bit of this goes a long way. So just careful with this. Just a little bit of this goes a long way. A little bit on the bridge of my nose. I already did a review on this collections. I will put the link in the description box down below so you can check it out. For the blush, I'm gonna go with the NARS Orgasm blush. It's this shade right here. I think it's gonna go well with this look. Gonna give me a little pink and a little bit sheen to my cheek. lipstick, I'm gonna use the Huda Beauty Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade Bombshells. It's a pinkish nude. I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb, and I'm just gonna apply this in the middle of my lip. To finish everything, I'm gonna spray my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter. Alright guys, this is the complete look. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. I really love it when you do. Let me know in the comment down below if you try out the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered Eyeshadow Palette. And before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so it can let you know when I upload a new video. I hope you have a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!